How to fix media upload quality not showing on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing up. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and the issue is quite simple as well. If you haven't enabled the HD option on WhatsApp, then you won't get the option to upload media quality, right? To choose the media quality when you are sending certain videos or photos. Now to enable it, all you have to do is open up WhatsApp first. Once you open it up, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from here you want to simply tap on settings. Once you select settings, scroll down, you can see stories and data option. You want to tap on it, and here you can see the media upload quality. I have set it to standard quality. You want to tap on it and you want to set it to HD quality and save it. Once you do so, what this does is when you are going to send a picture, you'll get the option to choose the quality of the media. Now if this still doesn't help, what you can do is you can simply head into your settings on your device, scroll down, head into apps. Under apps you are now searching for WhatsApp, so you can either scroll down or you can search in for WhatsApp. Once you're searching for WhatsApp, here head into stories and now tap on clear data. Now remember that when you clear the data, all of the apps data will be cleared. You can either clear the data, or if you do not want it, you can simply tap on clear cache. Before clearing the data, make sure to back up all the chats and medias as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.